Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm your host Kalimogul and you're watching Dynamic Tech. Today I'm going to show you 5 cool details about Windows 10 that most people don't know in the world. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's head toward the first detail. So when you open your computer, this PC, you will see these two little icons here. This icon shows the detailed view of the applications, files and folders, and this shows larger thumbnails. Now you can switch between the size of the applications, folders or any software by simply clicking on these two views. Click on the detailed view to see the details of the files and folders, and click on the thumbnail view to see the thumbnails. The second detail is also about this PC. Open this PC, and if you want to know any file or folder's properties, we simply right click on the file and then click on properties. But there is another way to do it. Here you will see this little icon here, and this icon shows the properties of the file or folder you selected. Now select any drive and click on the properties folder, and it will show the properties of the file or folder in front of you. Let's head toward our third detail. In this detail, click on view and click on item checkboxes. Some people know that Windows 10 has this icon effect on the files and folders, but most people don't know how to enable or disable it. And this effect does not apply on the folder you selected, it applies on your whole computer. Most people in the world did not know that the Windows 10 provided its official application and software launcher in it. So how do we find it? Simply click on the search bar and here search for msconfig. After typing msconfig, you will see system configuration application here. Click on it and you will see system configuration window appearing. Here we have 5 tools. From here you have to click on the tools bar, and here you will see a bunch of file and applications appearing. You can open any application or software from it by simply clicking on the software and then clicking on launch. In this section we're going to discuss the best detail of the video, and most people in the world didn't know that Windows actually provided separate desktops to work with at the same time. And in the updated version of the Windows 10, you will see this little task view icon in the taskbar. Click on it and here you will see new desktop option. Click on it and it will add another desktop in your computer right at the time. So now you can use 2 desktops without using any third-party software. So I'm gonna check this effect to see if this configuration works fine. I'm gonna open, for example, this PC in desktop 2, and I'm gonna add another desktop by clicking on this icon, and in the desktop 3 I'm gonna open settings, and in the task view we can see these separated desktops. Our desktop 1 is empty, desktop 2 fills this PC, and desktop 3 contains settings. And if we see detailed view of this configuration, I'm gonna open desktop 3, and here you can see this PC is not open here. And if I open desktop 2, here you can see the settings are not opened. So with this configuration we can work with different and separate desktop at the same time without any third-party software. Hope you found this helpful, and if you did, support the channel by subscribing and also turn on bell notification for all videos to get notified from my every video. That's all for today guys, thanks for watching.